Today is my last night in Thailand and we're going to have some seafood. I didn't even get my label. This is so spontaneous. It's like real vlogging. So we get to choose the fresh fish from here. And then I've captured the fact that the guy is actually over there, actually washed it. And he's going to do the barbecue here. And I'm so excited. Let's see how it goes.
This 270.
270.
Okay.
So 900
And some clams, please.
Kilo.
That's it.
Yeah,
Everything barbecue.
Any Thai better.
Yes.
Okay.
The lobster and the squid and these clams will go into that barbecue. Yum. This is the squid.
Yes,
You boil.
yeah.
What is this? Is this butter?
Better.
Oh. It looks so good. Good. Love clam. It's all butter. Beautiful butter. Oh, the clam looks nice too. Oh, I like that orchid. Squid is ready. Okay, they're going to add some potatoes. Will you put some butter on this? Can't believe I asked for the butter, but when you sin well. So this is my grilled seafood platter. Yeah. What is that?
Lobster.
That's like lobster.
Last bite,